finished out day 2 of bug gate. Keep you posted. Need to look at you, not at you. Okay, got the garage all ready. Bug gate day 2. Sorry, I gotta look at the camera, not up above. So bug gate day 2, I'm pretty sure we got all the bugs. I thought I was going to have to put a bunch of those bug bombs underneath the car, in the car, but apparently all of the directions say to only use one in every room. So I figure, and it says not to do it if the area is smaller than like 5 by 5, something like that. So I didn't think under the car would be the best idea. So I did it, and it's pretty good. Where I'm thinking they were, I put a bunch of ant traps on there too in case they got all hot and bothered and tried to run away. But I think they're going, or they're under there at somewhere. At least they were. I'll probably have that replaced. I don't see any. Oh wait, there's one. No. How'd you survive? Lone survivor. Well, we're gonna have to do day 2 eventually. Today is not about bug bomb. Today is about alternator and getting that thing running, because right now doesn't run, battery keeps dying. I'm gonna wait. I know I should have bought a battery as well, but I didn't. I'm going to jump this once the alternator's fixed. Yeah, and see if we can charge this and bring this battery back to life. But for today, this will be a E36 M3 alternator replacement. So, by the way, can we give a quick RIP to this guy? I don't think that air filter's been changed for 100,000 miles. That thing is nasty. So first thing we got to do is, it looks like we're gonna take this off, probably disconnect all of it. I don't know if this will have to be disconnected. I don't know if that will have to be disconnected, but the alternator is just right down here, so it's not too big of a job. All right, take a quick pit stop because part of this process is going to entail me getting new tools, because I really don't have too much anymore. I used to, then I moved, had to get rid of them, blah, 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 blah. So this is an excuse to restock my tool supply. Back to it. All right, success. Got the old alternator out. So I got this out. The only part that was different than all the other videos I saw talking about how to do this, none of them mentioned that there was a nut holding on the bolt on the bottom one. So I had to just get an open-end wrench, throw it on the back there, and hold it while I loosened up the bottom bolt. So now time to put in the other one. And like I said, I didn't get a new battery because I want to try and jump this one, see if it charges on its own. If it's really dead, then I'll get a new one. But this is basically the only thing I need to do to actually really drive the car, to figure out what I need to do first. So let's get the new one in and start it up and get going. I don't even know how that got there. It looks like I'm trying to grow a handlebar mustache. Whew. Okay, so we're done getting the belt back around everything. Pain in the butt. If anyone has a trick for me on how they do that, please let me know. Also, look at this. You see that? My hands are just dripping with sweat. Cause it's warm out here. Anyway, so everything's done. Now I just have to jump it, let it run, let it charge, and then we should be good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's a K&N, so I guess I could clean it. I mean, this is insanely bad. I don't know. I'm just gonna jump it right now with nothing on there because it's probably gonna be better. But I guess I'll clean that at some point. So yeah, the install was a pain in the butt, but it wasn't too bad. Just the tensioner part really sucked, getting the belt back around. And I didn't replace it because like I told you, I didn't get a new belt because like I told you before, I don't plan on this stock motor being in there, at least not in the form that it's in right now. If this motor stays in there, it's going to be wildly different. So anyway, that was that. I didn't really record too much of the install because I tried to. Let me know if you'd rather see install stuff or maybe just a finished product, but as for an alternator, it's really boring. So phase one, get this thing going so I can then drive it and see what to hack away on first. All right, so it's been running for a little bit. Let's turn it off, see if it starts. I think I'm getting bug bites in the car. Oh yeah.
So what next?
It's a track car now. I'm done. Chair built in. Thanks for tuning in, guys.